Hi beautiful people, it's Danielle and today is going to be an exciting video. So we are still in the mood for independence. It's actually the weekend after independence, but it's the first time we get a chance to celebrate. So we'll be going up by the Grenada area. I did a video on that area. It's directly above Adelphi waterfall in Grove, St.Andrew, Grenada. It's a very beautiful area and we'll be doing some cooking. We'll be doing some outdoor cooking and we'll be cooking my favorite dish, oil dung, which is Grenada's national dish. So I'm so excited and I can't wait to bring you guys along this day. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. Yes, so I'm just showing you a bit of the preparation. These are the seasonings right here. Here we got our chicken and our pork. Here we got our vegetables, our callaloo, cabbage, carrots, pumpkin, and our coconut over there. And here we got our breadfruit, highlight of oil dung. And here we have our seasoned meat. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. So we are in the Grenada area now, and I'm going to show you the entrance to Adelphi, right? We're just driving. It's very scenic, very beautiful. The Grove area. And this road right here to the right, that is the entrance to get to Adelphi waterfall. So you basically just follow the path all the way down. And you will eventually get to an intersection that is right here. Here you turn left. Then you continue down to the first river. So you just continue driving down until you get to the first river. Yes, so this is the first river here. Beautiful river, right? Yeah. It's the river, and this is where we came down from, right? So we decided, since there's a nice river right here, we will cook over there under the trees, and we can always enjoy our food by this river here instead of going all the way across to the Gangade area. That will take us about 15 minutes, and you know, if you're cooking oil, you have a lot of things to carry, right? So yeah, we decided that instead of having to carry all these things, we will just cook right here, and we can always enjoy our food right here without having to carry all this load. And on top of that, we can always go across after. If we still want to enjoy Adelphi Falls, and so we can always go across after, but without the additional hassle of having to jog everything. So yeah, I think it's a good idea. This is me. Beautiful river. So they're trying to set up here now, firecracker, so that we can cook our oil down, and the river is straight ahead.
Alright, so it's working.
Nice.
Yeah, very
Yes guys, so I'm gonna wash my hands in the river water there with this soap. So yeah, let's go. Alright, got our 2 pots right there, ready to go.
breadfruit.
So we got our ingredients here, and some leaves.
What is this marinated things in there?
That's meat.
Yeah, the meat is well seasoned.
Chicken.
Oh, oh, it has.
And here we got the coconut milk. Right?
No, finally, coconut milk.
So pretty, blended it and drained it out. So we're about to start. So the first thing is we're gonna put in our coconut milk. So now we're about to add a turmeric. Give it some color.
Wow, that's yellow.
Alright.
More yellow.
Yeah, we want it a little bit more yellow than that. Some Goya seasoning to the pot.
Not too much.
Other seasoning. Alright, so we're adding in the pork now. Breadfruit.
And I'll add some carlo. Not too much. Chicken.
Now adding our first layer of callaloo. More breadfruit. Our vegetables. Next layer of callaloo. And now the dumpling, we also had some breadfruit on top. Some more coconut milk. And our final layer of callaloo, whole leaves. Yes guys, so we're still out here cooking. Our pots are over there. Yeah. So hopefully it comes out good. It's our first time cooking oil down in the outdoors, you know. It's been kind of crazy because the rain started falling down and so much has been going on. But yeah, we're trying. So I'll let you know how it comes out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned to see the oil down. Yeah, so it's been about half an hour to 40 minutes since this one has been on. So yeah, this is how it's looking for now. And the other pot is over there bubbling. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. Gonna cover back this one. Yeah, so this pot is finished. Oh god. We actually forgot a spoon, so we have to improvise. Yeah, so we forgot to bring a spoon, so Suran cut a bamboo.
So you want me to switch to Samsung bad?
So Brady is just taking all the food right now.
Android.
Yeah, so this is my plate right here. So yeah, it looks pretty good. And everybody else is over there taking out theirs, right? So yeah, we're gonna have a good feast. Yes, so tastes good, tastes good. Everybody's out here enjoying the oil down. Finished eating. So the rating of the food was like between 7 to 8 for most people. Yeah, so now we're gonna cross the river and we're going to Adelphi, which is that lake. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, so this is the first river. Second river.
Yo, you have to do the impossible.
Yes, so we are here. So they put some benches here now. And again, this is a beautiful Adelphi waterfall. Very lovely. So everyone is under the fall, having a good time. Really taking some photos, knees in the water. There's one children over there. Yeah, man. Everybody having a good time. I'm just chilling over here. I don't feel like bathing today. So just chilling. Nice. So we are saying goodbye to the beautiful Adelphi waterfall, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.